Hello everyone, welcome to Kalki Krishna Diary. If you are new here, then I am Kalki. I do movie reviews, movie recommendations and movie analysis. If you want to movie related news and what should you watch and what you should not, because OTT platforms are filled with contents, then this is the right channel. प्रथमतः मोर समस्त ओडिया भाई भणी मानक सुनावेश पई अनेक अनेक शुभकामना. If you guys are regular on my channel, then you must be knowing that I love watching regional films, and these days I'm watching a lot of Malayalam contents because I have already suggested you some of those Malayalam films earlier, and today also I gonna suggest you or review. You may take it anyway. A Malayalam film, and the film name is Kapila. Is streaming on Netflix right now. In the lead, we'll see Anna Ben as Jessie, Srinath Bhasi as Roy, and the recent chalked frame Roshan Mathew as Vishnu. Jessie lives in a small hillside village with her parents and sister. Once, Jessie connects to Vishnu, who is an auto rickshaw driver in a different place, over a missed call. Vishnu is a simple, kind and hardworking guy. Day by day, as the phone conversation is developing, Jessie and Vishnu falls in love with each other and decided to meet. Jessie travels to Vishnu's city and bumps on a guy called Roy, played by Srinath Bhasi. As Jessie and Vishnu has not seen each other yet, so here some confusion happens, and what happened next? You need to watch the film to know. This is such a film that after watching you will realize कि कभी-कभी जो दिखता है वो होता नहीं है, इतना simple भी नहीं है. This story, how it looks like. The story is more like we often read in local newspapers that miss call रो प्रेम संपर्क गढ़ी उठला आउ प्रेमिक सहित प्रेमिका फरार. This kind of story is that, but no, please don't assume anything by listening my words, because this story offers much more than what I'm saying. Let me take a moment to appreciate the performance of Roshan Mathew. After watching him in Choked, I instantly became his fan, and he has given the true justice to this character of Vishnu in Kapila. The casting of this film is amazing. For example, Anna Ben, the character of Jessie, the character she has played, which you and me as audience can think of. She is that girl, a village girl with curly and no so perfect teeth. This is how a normal girl looks like, and her performance is superb. She has an innocence in her eyes which I really liked. My favorite actor of this film is Srinath. We have seen such characters in our real life. Guy who does awara gardi whole day, doesn't have any career goal, and always think to do something big but doesn't really work to make it possible. His every expression, you will not feel like he is acting. This is a well executed film. The way the film is simple yet cute story pans into something you never have expected to happen. It is amazing. While watching, you will feel like you are one of those characters in the film, and you badly want Jessie and Vishnu to have a successful love story. The camera has shown a beautiful village side on a hill station. If you're thinking that this is a Malayalam film, then let me tell you, this has an English subtitle. The duration of this film is 1 hour 50 minutes. You can watch it on Netflix, and please let me know what you think about this film, because I really want you guys to watch this film, because this is amazing. Performance wise, story wise, it's simple yet beautiful. I mean, I love simple stories. Again, I'm saying, if you know, and I always crave for such stories, and I really salute. You will be like, really, I never thought of this. So yeah, this is it for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel so that I can bring more contents to you like this. And if you want to connect me on social media, then you can connect on Instagram, on Twitter and Facebook. My handle name is Kalki Krishna everywhere. So thank you so much. I'm waiting for your comment. Take care.